One of the most popular bulldozers for this job. In this article, we'll talk about the Caterpillar D4 bulldozer, including its features, benefits, and how to use it to build roads. Feature: the Caterpillar D4 bulldozer has several features that make it ideal for road construction. These features include big power. The Caterpillar D4 bulldozer has a Cat C 7.1 engine that produces 105 net horsepower. This power is enough to push soil, rocks, and other materials to build roads. Hydrostatic transmission. Hydrostatic transmission provides smooth and powerful operation. Adjustable blade. The Caterpillar D4 bulldozer blade can be adjusted for a variety of applications, including leveling, digging, and pushing material. Advanced technology. The Caterpillar D4 bulldozer is equipped with several advanced technologies, such as Cat grade with slope assist and Cat grade with 3D, which make grading work more accurate. Benefit: the Caterpillar D4 bulldozer offers a variety of benefits for road construction, including efficiency. The Caterpillar D4 bulldozer can get the job done quickly and efficiently. Durability: the Caterpillar D4 bulldozer is designed for use in harsh conditions. Versatility: the Caterpillar D4 bulldozer can be used for a variety of road construction applications. How to use to build roads. The Caterpillar D4 bulldozer can be used for various stages of road construction, from site preparation to finishing. Here are some ways to use the Caterpillar D4 bulldozer to build roads. Site preparation. The Caterpillar D4 bulldozer can be used to clear land of trees, bushes, and rocks. This bulldozer can also be used to level land and create road contours. Road construction. Caterpillar D4 bulldozers can be used to excavate soil and create road foundations. This bulldozer can also be used to spread road materials, such as gravel and asphalt. Finishing. Caterpillar D4 bulldozers can be used to level and smooth road surfaces. This bulldozer can also be used to create ditches and water channels along roads. Tips. Here are some tips for using the Caterpillar D4 bulldozer for building roads. Use a bulldozer blade of the correct size. Blades that are too large will be difficult to control and can damage the road surface. A blade that is too small will not be effective in digging soil and spreading road material. Operate the bulldozer carefully. Bulldozers are very heavy machines and can cause serious damage if not operated carefully. Be sure to follow the bulldozer operating instructions carefully. Pay attention to soil conditions. Bulldozers can have difficulty operating on soft or wet ground. If you have to build a road in soil conditions like this, make sure to use an LGP, low ground pressure bulldozer. Carry out bulldozer maintenance regularly. Bulldozers are complex machines and require regular maintenance to maintain their performance and durability. Be sure to follow the bulldozer maintenance schedule recommended by the manufacturer. Conclusion. The Caterpillar D4 bulldozer is a powerful and versatile machine that can be used for a variety of road construction applications. By following the tips above, you can use the Caterpillar D4 bulldozer to build roads safely and efficiently.